Welcome to our room selection demonstration on how to select a space and assign others in your roommate group to one of our suite style buildings in Decker or Cromwell Hall. When your time slot comes up, you will need to log into My Housing and access your housing application for the upcoming year. Once logged in, click Save and Continue until you get to your room selection page. From there, you will see all the buildings available to you based on your class year, sophomore, junior, or senior. To choose a building, click on Select beneath the desired building. In this example, we will be selecting Decker Hall. We are hoping to find a completely empty suite to live in next year. Therefore, we can scan the list of rooms to identify rooms whose number of available beds matches the room type for both rooms in the suite. For instance, Decker 110 is a double room with 2 available beds. As you can see from the information listed for this room, the other room in the suite is Decker 112, which also is a double room with 2 available beds. To make the process easier, we can utilize the filters on the left-hand side of the page. As we are hoping to find a triple-double, we will click on Triple in the Room Type filter on the left-hand side of the page. This shows only the triples that are available to us, but because we want the entire suite, we will select Decker 137 and 139 from the suite filter on the left and uncheck triple. In this example, based on the number of available beds, we can fit our entire group, so we now need to add both of these rooms to our cart and click Save and Continue. By doing that, these rooms are now temporarily reserved, and other students taking part in room selection will not be able to select them during the allotted time limit featured at the top of the page. Please take your time to ensure you assign everyone to the correct space, so take into account who is going to room with who and which room you all specifically want to be in within a given suite. On the Assign Beds page, we have to assign each person in our group to the spaces they want to live in before clicking on Save and Continue. So we will put Emily in 137-1, Brunel in 137-2, Chelsea in 139-1, Christine in 139-2, and Hannah in 139-3. If you only assign yourself to a bed, you have not reserved a space for your roommates, and anyone else can fill those spaces. At this point, your bed space has been reserved for next year. The only thing that remains is to select a meal plan. While in this example, we were fortunate enough to find the exact housing arrangement we desired, that will not always be the case, especially as the room selection day progresses. Therefore, it is recommended that you have contingency plans. This may require living in a different building or breaking up your roommate group. While for the most part, room assignments made during room selection are final, there is the chance your room assignment could change. For instance, you could sign up for the singles wait list, participate in room change day, or be added to the housing wish list by emailing housing@tcnj.edu in order to be considered for a preferred space in the event that something opens up. We hope you found this video to be informative. Best of luck during room selection.